going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chunky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I have got a sovereign citizen. It might be a soft sit. I don't know. He comes in with the proper intro for a sovereign citizen. He then says it again later in the hearing. I don't know. I don't think he understands the script that he signed up for. Anyways, this is in front of Judge DiSanto, so you already know it's going to be good. All right. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Apologies
didn't call
right
someone
now.
else, I apologize.
No, I think that's Mr. Dingman. Is that Mr. Dingman?
No, yes.
The other one first, that's why.
I'm sorry, I thought you
He's
said
not talking
McCreary.
to one.
Yeah, no, I'm calling Mr. Dingman. So can you wait for the
Yes,
rest?
I can wait. I thought you were calling McCreary, that's why I was gonna take the opportunity.
All right, we're on the record in the matter of the city of Wyandotte versus Stephen Dingman, 191445 and 241519 A and B. And counsel, your appearance, please.
Your Honor, John Goldblatt, P 30758, on behalf of Mr. Dingman on both matters. I want to indicate to the court, I did provide him, or he was provided with a copy of his constitutional rights. However, he refused to sign it. I did go over those rights with him.
Okay. Who? Mr. Dingman, your name for the record, please.
Stephen Ray Dingman, private trustee.
Okay, who's Keith Hood?
Oh, that's the wrong one. They gave me. I apologize for that, how this came back. They gave me one. I was talking to, who I thought was Mr. Dingman and Mr. Keith Hood. Said, I am. They found him back there too, so.
Okay, I don't know what a private trustee is, but. Okay. All right, well, today's the date scheduled, well, not scheduled, but, Mr. Dingman is in custody. There's a warrant issued for his arrest because he failed to appear, for an arraignment pretrial a number of times on the 2019 matter. And then he had a new matter that was scheduled for arraignment pretrial next week, but since he's in custody, we're doing that now.
That is correct, Your Honor.
As to the arraignment, counsel.
As to the arraignment on the 241519 case, Your Honor? That's the one that's the arraignment.
We're arraigning him on both.
Oh, he did not appear for, okay.
The 24 matter is scheduled for next week.
Correct.
But since he's in custody, it was moved to today, so we're doing an arraignment only on that.
That I understand, Your Honor.
Yeah.
And he
So
hadn't been
only on both.
arraigned on the 19
No.
case? Okay. As to both matters, Your Honor, he would stand mute to the charges, waive a formal reading of those charges, and ask that a plea of not guilty be entered.
The court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty on both of these matters. And as to the pretrial date, Ally?
2, 5, and 9:45.
All right. We are going to set this matter for February 5th at 9:45 a.m. And I think you're here anyway that day, counsel.
Yes,
I mean,
I
I know
am.
that you don't necessarily have to follow it, but since you're doing the arraignment, maybe you can, I don't know.
Fine, I am here next weekend. I mean, next, right.
All right, and as to bond.
Your Honor, Mr. Dingman is presently unemployed, though he is employed through what is known as Instacart. That's where
Right.
I'm not familiar with it, but it's similar to DoorDash, things like that. However, he's tried DoorDash, but because of his, I guess he's not eligible under their standards because of a prior driving while impaired or alcohol-related offense. Your Honor, he just lost his father last October, November. He is trying to get the house and all of his things in order.
My parents both died, everything's in probate. I got no money, I got no job, I'm a man of Christ, I do nothing but stay at home. I just got the Instacart gig, I'm trying to get back on my feet. I know that I didn't come to court for numerous reasons because the last 2 years I was taking care of my elderly parents. And finally, when I was about to get everything taken care of, the night before my dad passed away in his sleep. So now I'm stuck with a house, frozen bank accounts, all kinds of bills. I have no other family. I'm trying, and I understand that I got this thing looming over me, but I'm just trying to get everything taken care of and getting back to order. I still got to get my dad cremated in the funeral home's mad at me because he's been there since November 27th. I don't leave the house. I don't do anything wrong. The matter about the larceny.
Don't fundraising about the case.
I can discuss that, but I'm just trying to let you guys know that the reason that I was given this ticket was because I didn't know my new address. So the cop, because I had.
It has nothing to do with it, sir. That's not.
He gave me that ticket saying I lied to him and I didn't know my address. That is, if I don't know my address, that's not a lie.
Your Honor, he's talking about the fraudulent
Yeah.
schemes.
Yeah. Okay, well, let me just say this, sir. How long were you taking care of your parents?
For 3 years, they're elderly. My mom was 72 and my dad was 83.
Okay, well,
His mother died approximately a year and a half ago, and his father died just before Thanksgiving this year.
okay, okay.
And then my dog died 2 weeks or a week after my dad died.
Sir, there are many people that take care of their parents, elderly or not, that still take care of their responsibilities. All right, taking care of your parents does not negate you from taking care of the balance of your responsibilities. You have a matter pending for almost 6 years now. 6 years.
I tried to turn myself in during COVID, but the lockdowns and everything, and I walked up to the door and we can't let you in. Okay.
Sir,
It was denied entry.
stop. That has been something that has not even been a thing for a while now. And our court's been open and we've never stopped our dockets. So.
Yeah, but I didn't have any money to come up here to do that.
Don't even try that, sir. Don't even go there. Because then you were scheduled on September 12th and you walked out. And then we issued a warrant November 1st. And that was 23. Stop interrupting me. And that was in 23. Then you contacted the court in May of 24. We set it for July 31st of 24. You showed up to court in shorts. You said you were homeless. It was rescheduled to September 25th. September 25th, you failed to appear and the court issued a warrant in October 10th. And what have you done since October 10th to set up your court date? What have you done, sir, since that time?
Grieve.
Okay.
Grieve.
And so, while I can understand your grieving for the loss of your father, right? But you still have responsibilities.
Yeah, I get that, but I figured I'd grieve first and then take care of things after the fact. That's why I just started doing Instacart so I could get to taking care of all this stuff. I literally got 3 things done and then I just started to make some money and then I got pulled over. And now all I want to do is just get back to it so that I can get all this stuff taken care of. I got no intentions on doing anything bad or anything. I don't use hard drugs. I don't drink anymore. I turned my life around on July 26th of 2022. It's when I became a man of God and became a trustee. And ever since then, I've been.
You a trustee as a man of God. What does that mean, sir?
Through the United States Internal Revenue Service and the federal government, I applied to trustee status with them, and they granted it to me. That's through the United States federal government. Would you like my EIN number?
No, the problem here, United States government, IRS is granting people that status, that probably has to, anyway. Okay, well, here's,
Yeah, he became a man of God and a trustee. You know, because apparently those things go hand in hand. You can't have trustee status without being a man of God. I wonder if the church is the it's what's causing the sovereign citizen movement. No, you go there, you know, you take communion, and then you know you become a trustee. Man, these are just jokes. I told you this guy doesn't know how to SovCit. He, he's following like 2 out of the 300 steps. He's got a little bit to go. Maybe he's as far behind in his SovCit classes as he is in getting his life back together. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna let the rest of this play out. I just paused it for way too long. So hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button. Until next time. Bye.
the court's going to do, sir. The court, based upon your previous failure to appear, the fact that you have, I haven't, other than a couple times that you set up court dates and you still haven't, you don't stay at court or you don't show up, the court doesn't have any confidence that you're going to appear in court.
Your Honor.
Further, while you've been out, while there's been a warrant out for your arrest, you also are now charged with larceny as well. So the court's going to order a $2,500 10% bond in each of these cases.
Okay, Your Honor.
And then the 241519, that's on count B. And in the event you post bond, you're not to be released without a GPS tether to the Wayne County Jail.
So, what is my bond today?
$250 on each case.
So that's $500 total.
And the GPS tether through the Wayne County Jail.
And no house arrest. And apply,
Hey, I'm sorry. I
submit 20 job applications per week.
how many?
A minimum of 20 job applications per week.
Yeah, I've already filled out over 100. Did you say that I gotta be under house arrest or I'm not?
Not under house arrest.
Not under house arrest.
Oh, okay.
And you're not to have any contact with Cody Buttram. That's phone contact, text message, email, social media, third party, anything of the like. You also are not to go to his home.
I don't even know who Cody, whoever that is.
And then you'll have no problems not going there.
Correct.
I'm not trying to interrupt. I'm just saying I don't even know who Cody, whatever this guy's name is.
Okay. Well, all right. All right, we'll see you back on February 5th. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.